TMCnet at NextCom 2008.
Welcome again. This is Erik Linask coming to you live from NextCom 2008 in Las Vegas. I'm joined now by Rob Scheible, Senior Marketing Management of IP Voice and Multimedia for Nortel. Welcome, Rob.
Thank you.
So you've had a few hours here on the show floor this morning already. How's it going? What kind of trends are you seeing out there?
So there definitely seems to be a lot of excitement around unified communications and service development. And those are two key areas that we're focused on. There's also interest in the rural market, on moving the rural market into voice over IP. And we've been talking with a lot of carriers and a lot of vendors that are looking at supporting that kind of effort. So.
Great. There's been a lot of focus, and you even mentioned it now, on the carrier space and on service provider focused technologies. Why is that? What kind of challenges are carriers facing as they look to evolve their networks and roll out new next generation services?
Well, there's a couple challenges that they have. One challenge they have is getting unified communications to the small and medium business. One of the solutions that's available today, for example, is a Nortel solution with Microsoft that uses OCS. But OCS is really targeted at the larger enterprises, the larger businesses. So we've recently worked with them on the introduction of the HMC solution, which is a carrier-hosted unified communications solution with Nortel to small and medium businesses.
Is unified communications really going to make a big splash in the SMB space then?
It really is, and another group that we've worked with is IBM, and we've developed a solution with IBM so that from a Lotus desktop, you're able to invoke communications. And this is why unified communications is so interesting to businesses. As you normally work day to day, you're looking at email, you know you need to call someone, you have to go over to a directory somewhere and look up a name, then you have to go over to a phone or a soft client and initiate a call. With unified communications, it's all a single click. And in fact, before you click, you can tell whether they're on the phone or not, or whether they're at their desk or not. So if you send me an email, and I see that email, I mouse over your name, I see your name and I can see you're on the phone, so I just click and type you an instant message, give me a call when you're free. Or if you're not on the phone, I just click, my phone rings, your phone rings, we pick it up, and we're in a call.
Is unified communications for the large enterprise, is it the same thing that the SMB is talking about in terms of UC?
As far as capability goes, it is really the same thing. It's the integration of voicemail, email, and really desktop applications to allow you to communicate either with text, files, graphics, or voice.
Fantastic. So you mentioned some of your work with IBM and with Microsoft. What are some of the other ways that Nortel is looking to help carriers meet these challenges in a next generation environment?
Well, another challenge that's out there today is in the rural space. So there's a lot of carriers that have existing equipment and they want to get into voice over IP, but they have an investment out there, capital out there that they've already spent that they want to reuse. And we've just done a couple sales with our CS1500 product. It's a soft switch designed specifically for the smaller carriers, the rural carriers. And in one case, Emily Cooperative Operating Company really provides an opportunity to other carriers to see, which is they took a legacy TDM product from Siemens, which is an obsolete product, and they moved that product and are able to convert that over onto a voice over IP product. And we've done that through a partnership with Nortel and GenBand to allow people to reuse legacy products in a voice over IP domain.
So what can we expect to see out of Nortel in the coming days, months, even years projecting forward?
Applications. It's really about applications. It's about creating new applications. It's about taking existing applications and mashing them up in a way that from a single view, or if I click on your name and it comes up, I can see how to get to you. You can send me a map. You can send me information that I need to know. I can transfer files to you. So it's really about taking information and capabilities that are out there today, mashing them up into kind of a new application and being able to create and sell those applications and make them available for businesses and end consumers.
Excellent. We've been talking with Rob Scheible from Nortel Networks. Thanks for joining us here today, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thanks a lot. It's good to see you.
Thanks.